Hi, I'm Tasneem from Datarade, and in today's video, I'd like to show you three things: how to search for data by category, how to compare providers by region and use case, and how to find out more about data providers and get in touch with them directly. You can do this all for free and all in one place. Before we get into it, a quick word on who we are. Datarade is an online data marketplace based in Berlin, Germany, servicing the world. We exist because finding the right data can still be difficult. The data landscape is still highly fragmented, and it can take weeks or sometimes even months to find the right sources for what you need. We help by providing you access to compare, search for, and get in touch with some of the best data providers globally. So let's see this in action. Let's say that we're a company in the B2B marketing space and we're looking for the right profiles of other companies to get in touch with for account-based marketing to tell them about our new SaaS solution. So we head to Datarade and look for firmographic data. Well, let's start over at the home page, datarade.ai. In the search bar, we'll put in firmographic data and head over to the category page. The category page is like the hub of each data category. Here we can see related data categories, and we see, for example, that firmographic data is a subcategory of B2B data. We have some more information here, such as basics, what is firmographic data, as well as some examples of attributes included in this type of data. For example, company size, industry, etc. If we click on providers and click on browse all providers, we'll get taken to this page. At the top, we get some recommended providers based on reviews, coverage, as well as data volume. Further down, we have some more filtration options. Let's say that we're looking for data for the US and Canada. And as we said, we are looking for the use case of account-based marketing. Here in this table, we can now compare some providers who fulfill our requirements. We can see the countries, the use cases, as well as pricing models which are available and their adherence to privacy, such as CCPA and GDPR. From here, we can decide who we want to look into. I'll choose Success AI because they have everything I want, plus they have good reviews. From here, you can browse their profile in more depth, see their data sets, and contact the provider directly. Thanks for watching and happy data hunting!